Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert graphics issues, black screen, flickering artifacts, or flickering bars on PC. First, disable smooth motion in the NVIDIA app. Open NVIDIA app, go to graphics, select the game, and turn off smooth motion in both game and global settings. Next, launch the game and go to settings. Under video, if DLSS or DLAA is enabled, set it to quality and hit apply. If that doesn't work, turn off HDR and apply changes. Now disable frame generation. If AMD FSR or NVIDIA frame generation is enabled, turn it off and apply. Next, toggle ray reconstruction. If it's on, turn it off. If it's off, try turning it on, then apply and check. If you're using FSR, set it to native AA and apply. You can also turn off DLSS and disable ray tracing completely. Now go to accessibility and set motion blur to 0, apply and check. Next, lower your monitor refresh rate. If you're using 240 Hz or 360 Hz, reduce it to 60 Hz from Windows display settings. Also, make sure your in-game resolution matches your monitor. If you're using a 2K monitor, avoid 4K resolution and try borderless window mode. Now reset NVIDIA settings. Open NVIDIA app, select the game, and either optimize, revert, or restore settings. You can also restore global settings. Next, run the game as administrator. Go to the game folder, right-click the .exe file, enable Run as Administrator, and optionally disable full-screen optimization. Now perform a clean GPU driver install. Download the latest driver from NVIDIA or AMD website, install with clean option, and restart your PC. After that, verify game files in Steam. One of these steps should fix the issue. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.